So TL Timber isn't just your standard log home company. We offer various different options for our log home packages, and we also offer custom cut timbers to all of our contractors.
What makes us unique is the long length capacity and the myriad of different profiles that we have. Swedish Cope, D-Log, and as well Pioneer Series. The Pioneer Series is a timber series with a dovetail corner. The D-Log as well is a dovetail corner. And then our Swedish Cope brand with the saddle notch. Our Swedish Cope profiles are available clear up to 65 feet. The same thing for our Pioneer Series and the same thing for our D-Log. We're able to make long log packages so there's no butt joints. As well, our roof system with long logs is really important, so we can create a long ridge beam without having to create a post in the floor plan. And it's a lot faster to use long logs. It looks better. Butt joints can become a problem over years. Typically, those logs are used in higher end builds, commercial builds. Both homeowners and builders are really appreciative of that. The services that we provide that most companies don't offer are options, and those options start from the Contractor Package, where it's basically just a bunch of lineal footages and notches, and the contractor builds from there.
So package number 2 is our pre-cut system. We take a set of plans, turn them into wall panels and a cut list. From there, we generate the logs, package them, and ship them to site.
We often find that a lot of the new contractors in log home building are utilizing the pre-cut, pre-stack package simply because we're doing all the work here at site. Once it's shipped to the site at their location, it becomes much easier for them to build the package. Our company is a TPI grade regulated facility under the Timber Products Inspection Program. So what that does is it allows builders the comfort knowing that all of these logs are grade regulated. Yeah, the quality control starts really at the buckerman as he's buckling these logs to length. He's looking for a spiral check. A spiral check predominantly is a log that looks like a barber pole and it has a spiral check from one end to the other. He's looking for rotten logs. He's looking for anything that doesn't meet the standards of our TPI grade certification. From there, the same series of quality control happens while we're sawing those cans. When sawing the timbers, it's not just as simple as just squaring up a round log and making it square. We go as far as ensuring that that check, wherever it might be, is on the right side. And when I say the right side, I mean that check needs to be on its way facing down. And facing down just eliminates any opportunity for moisture to get into those logs. From the sawmill to the Pendu, our Pendu 9700, one of only 2 in the world, manufactures all of our different log home profiles. The guys operating the Pendu are as well grade certified. A lot of people don't understand or even like to see a check in their log home, but it's actually a bonus. A lot of log home companies, when they're building, they use green logs. And when they use green logs, those checks are gonna come. And they come over a series of years.
So here at TL Timber, we use nothing but dead standing trees. This timber already has the checking in them, so when we go to manufacture those logs, we know exactly where to place them throughout the build.
So the notcherman takes his logs, and once he's merchandised those logs, he's cut them to length, he's notched them, and he's reference tagged them for the builder. They proceed to the packaging stage. We do our very best to build the packages ahead of time to ensure that we know where these logs are going to go, so at the other end, the builder has an easy time locating the logs, which in turn just expedites the process at the building site.
So if you're a log home builder dealer in Canada, United States, or abroad, and you want more information about our log home packages, give me a call. I'm always here.